Hello, 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 hello. Say hi when you hop on. I'm going to do some unboxing, some goodies I have received, and I have not done an unboxing in a while, so I thought I'd show you all the new goodies I got. Can't wait to show you some of these. I can't wait to try. So excited. So when you hop on, if there's a red button up above says live, then you're on the live video. If not, hashtag replay and let me know that you've watched it. Say hi when you hop on, and I will call you out. Just embarrass you. Alright. I'm going to get started. I was going to go to I had ordered a shirt from a boutique a couple months ago, and it had came in, and I was going to go get it today, so I put my makeup on, haphazardly did my hair, and looked online to see what their hours were. They're closed today and tomorrow. What boutique is closed on Friday and Saturdays? Isn't that crazy? So, what am I going to do today? Mow the yard after this. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, here's our new brushes. Comes in this real pretty gray leather bag. Inside is real pretty and shiny. They're kind of like a grayish purple color. These are my sister-in-law's that she ordered. They are so soft. This one's a powder brush. This one is a blending brush. This one is a smudger. This one is kabuki for foundation. So soft. Most of the brushes on a kabuki brush are stiff. That is so soft. I didn't order a set because I had ordered a big set from Amazon, but I think I'm going to order this set because I really like this. This is a what's this one for? That's a smudger. Maybe this one's a smudger. This one is contour. This one's a smudger, and this one is a eyebrow pencil or eyeliner, either one. This is the Deluxe Pro set. Real pretty. So those are my sister-in-law's. Can't wait to see how she likes those because I'm ordering her set now after seeing that. Okay, this is a new sponge. This is a I thought it was going to be, I know it opens, I just can't see it. I thought it was going to be like a loofah sponge, but it's not. I mean, it looks tough, like it's going, I don't know, like it's rough, but it's not. It's really soft. You put your finger in that. You blend. It's for your cleanser. You could do your cleanser, a scrubbing, face cream, or the anti-reverses serum. Rub it in all over. So I mean, see how pliable it is? It's going to be really neat to try. I can't wait to try that. And you put your finger in there. So yeah, interesting. Can't wait to try it. Let you know how I like that. And of course, I always order my face wipes. Most face wipes burn my eyes. These don't. These are the best I've ever tried. And then I had to do another order. I'm out of my primer, so I got another primer. This is our VFX Pro matte primer. So I got that. And then I have a lot of this is just I'm having to replenish some of my stock. This is the concealer. This is what is it? 03, I think's the number, which is light ivory. Yeah, it's 03 light ivory. Mine's about out, but if you take that stopper that's inside, take it out, you can have more. And then, okay, this is for a friend of mine. This is a Starlook mascara. I have not tried that, so I can't wait to see what she thinks of this. She uses the Zen mascara and loves it, but she wants to try the Starlook. It's pretty. I'm not going to open it up because it's not mine. and show you the brush because it's not mine. Now, on the brushes on my sister-in-law's, it's different because this, I open it up and it's going to start drying it out. So I'm not going to even do that. And then I got creamy eyeshadow. I've been wanting this one for a while and I keep putting it off and ordering it. Get it out. This is called, I think it's Pink Glow. Yeah, Pink Glow. Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty that is. Real pretty. They're so soft and creamy. They go on so smooth. I don't know if you can see it. See, just there you can see it. There you go. It's real pretty. And then I have this in the orange pop. I will probably be using the orange pop a lot this fall. I was going to put it on today, but I decided not to. I put on, I used our peach bite palette. I put on the bronzer, and then I put on, the mono shadow in the chocolate brown. Coffee brown or something. And then I got this trio. I've been wanting this too, and you know, I just putting it off, but I thought I better get it. This one is called Sunset Kiss. Sunset Kiss. And look how pretty those will be so pretty for this fall. So pretty. See if I could do a swatch. Show you. Oh, they're just so soft and creamy. So if I can do it on my arm. Of course, my arm is darker, so you can't. But you get the concept there. Isn't that pretty? We'll be doing an eye look with that. I just love the smell of these products. They smell so good. It's good. It's clean. No strong smelling. And then, okay, these two I can't wait to try. This will be the last two. I got the fabric softener. We have cleaning products, so I got the fabric softener. And 16.9 fluid ounce. Let's see if I can open it up. And you open it up, and this has, instead of having to take scissors or something to open it, it has a little bit of ledge right there. And you just take it and twist, and it cuts it for you. Whew. I'm about out of fabric softener, so I thought I'd give it a try. Smells clean. My nose is getting plugged up. Smells clean. And you're supposed to use, I think, just one cap. Yeah, this is our Mr. Wipes fabric softener. I gotta find the instructions here. Directions. Add. So, final rinse. Add 0.7 fluid ounce, 20 milliliters. I'm guessing that is probably a cap full. Look how small that cap is compared to a regular fabric softener. I'll measure it out and I'll show you exactly how much difference there is. So we'll see about that. And then I've heard great reviews for this. This is our Mr. Wipes multi-purpose cleaner. I've heard awesome reviews and seen videos on this. Same thing, cap, twist. Get stains out of carpet. So I can't, I need more than just one bottle for my carpet, as old as it is. Still smells clean. I could smell it through my, here, you want to sniff? Take a sniff. See, it smells clean. And this you're supposed to, directions, dilute 25 milliliter to 169 fluid ounces of water. Huh? Yeah. Okay. I will show you a stain remover. See how well that does. We will try it. I got plenty of stains on my carpet. And then I got blue, the liquid eyeliner. You can use this as an eyeshadow. This will be good if you're a Colts fan or any teams that are blue. Let me open it up. And ours are sealed. They have this label sealed. Hi, Pat. Thank you. They have this label on here, and it's really sticky and annoying, actually. But it seals it so you know that it's not ever been opened. And then, let's see if I can show you on camera. There you go. Look at that blue. That is just so pretty. You can use this on your waterline also, on your eyeliner. I started to use the copper one, champagne color I had today, but then I realized I was not going anywhere and going to mow the yard, so I just didn't do it anymore. So I got that. And then I got this, which is, oh, I took my glasses off. Number 9, Love Secret. I don't think I had this one, but you know, I may have ordered it before. We'll see. Ooh, this will be a pretty one in the fall. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That'll be pretty this fall. I will be wearing that a lot. That's my jam, my colors. I like those colors. And your makeup is now coming in a bubble bag. Oh, Mika loves popping these. Bubble bag, the liquid stuff. So it's sealed because they've been having trouble with USPS. Imagine that. And so it's been coming in that, and to make sure that it's not, if it leaks, it stays in this, hopefully. Anyway, that was it for today. It was just a small little haul, but I wanted to show you the goodies of what I'm going to be doing next, some eye looks, and just replenishing a few products. Alright, I guess I'll go change my clothes and go mow the yard. Thank you for watching. Bye.